Hey everybody, it's Isabel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to multiply decimal numbers. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cross out our actual decimal because we don't want to focus on that right now. And then we're going to do 3 times 4, which is 12. So we carry the 1 over here. Next, 2 times 3 is 6, but plus the 1, it'll be 7. Then we're going to add the 0. And now it's 3 times 4 again. So 12, carrying the 1. 2 times 3, 6, add the 1, 7. Now you're going to add. Okay, so 2, 9, 7. And how we add the decimal is we're going to bring our decimal numbers, we're going to erase the x's, and we're going to bring our decimals back. We're going to look at the number behind the decimal. So there's 2 numbers. So I go 1, 2, and I place the decimal right here. Thanks for watching.